Welcome to A-Level Mathematics. This is Statistics 1, Representation of Data. Raw data is merely noise until it is structured, summarized, and visualized. In the modern world, vast quantities of information are generated every second, but without the mathematical tools to interpret it, this information is completely useless. This unit is your foundational toolkit for statistical analysis in Cambridge A-Level Mathematics. It bridges the gap between a chaotic list of numbers and a clear, actionable narrative. You will learn how to take raw data sets and transform them into meaningful visual representations and precise numerical summaries.
Our first step is understanding exactly what kind of data we have. Statistical analysis is a logical progression. You cannot summarize data until you know if it is discrete or continuous, as this dictates the mathematical tools you are allowed to use. From there, we explore visual tools, starting with stem and leaf diagrams. These are incredibly powerful for small datasets because they visually order the numbers while preserving every exact original value, allowing you to find the median instantly.
For larger, continuous datasets, we need more advanced visualizations. You will learn to draw histograms, specifically handling unequal class widths, where the area of the bar represents the frequency. Then we construct cumulative frequency graphs. As this curve sweeps upwards, it plots a running total of your data. You will use this exact shape to estimate medians, quartiles, and custom percentiles, reading directly across and down to extract hidden thresholds. Ultimately, we must move from the visual to the precise numerical summaries. You will calculate measures of central tendency, such as the mean, median, and mode, to find the single typical value of a dataset. But an average tells only half the story. You also need to measure the variation. You will calculate the range, interquartile range, and standard deviation to quantify how spread out or volatile the data is around that center. We can combine center and spread into a single powerful visual. Box-and-Whisker Plots allow you to quickly compare the median, spread, and skewness of multiple datasets side by side. You will learn to draw these precisely, ensuring your scales are perfectly linear, and use the interquartile range to mathematically identify extreme outliers. This is a core skill for the written comparison questions. Let us look at how Cambridge examines this unit. You will need to instinctively recall formulas like the variance for grouped data. But remember, the highest grades are won through interpretation. A grade B candidate calculates the standard deviation perfectly. An A-star candidate calculates it, notices it is smaller, and explicitly writes that the data is more consistent. By the end of this unit, you will be able to classify data types, construct histograms and cumulative frequency graphs, calculate central tendency and standard deviation, and compare datasets using Box-and-Whisker Plots. Your journey begins with the fundamental building blocks of all statistical analysis. Let us get started.